everybody, it's Beth at West Coast Wool, and this video is all about our Crimson Tweed Block of the Month program. This month we're going to be working on block number 2. Let's go over to the workstation and I will show you what's in your kit. So here is block 2 of Crimson Tweed, and this month you'll notice in your kit that you might have some different colors or different cotton fabric very slightly than mine. Just keep in mind I started this at 3 years ago and I could not source the exact same colors, especially the cotton. So you might have something a little bit different, but I did give you some extra fabric so that you could make some decisions on some colors that you wanted to use. So let's take a look at the block here. I'm just going to move it up so you can see the whole thing. You're going to be stitching with some cotton and some wool. We've got rickrack. Let me let you see a close up here of what you're going to do. You can kind of see that. And we're going to be doing that elongated palestrina knot down the center of your stem here. You're going to be doing some stitches with the razzle that is included in your kit. So let's have a look at it. You'll be piecing your block together this month using these 3 fabrics. You'll have this houndstooth, this cotton, and this gray hand-dyed wool. You will also get some wool for the stars, and I gave you an extra piece so you can change out. You have 3, so you could change them out to whichever one you like, because you're going to have a cotton star also. Your hill fabric will be this print here. And I think I told everybody in the instructions I could not find that exact same K-facet fabric, and I didn't have a salvage, so I couldn't really, hunt for it that well without the name of it. So you're going to get this. You've got a 1/2 inch wide stem. You're going to cut that down, but I just went ahead and cut it for you. Your berries will be this really pretty blue-green color. And inside, you're going to have these 3. You've got some hand-dyed rickrack here and this spool of razzle. So pretty. This is one of my favorite razzle colorways. It's EZM 14, and you're going to have that in your kit. So that's what you're going to get in the mail, and if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you next month.